Even great commanders like Napoleon had to bow their heads before international bankers who lent money to both sides to fight their battles.
But is borrowing money something more than it seems?
We should find out more about the advantages as well as the risks of borrowing money.
Because, while for businesses it is normal and perhaps even necessary, for the man in the street it may be risky, above all due to over-indebtedness caused by having to pay interest.
Did you know that the lawfulness of lending money with interest, so-called usury, was disputed as early as Sumerian times? Let alone today, after the banking system crisis of 2008.
Knowing how the law limits the risks inherent in the borrowing mechanism and promotes transparency and correct conduct by the persons involved can help ordinary citizens to choose the loan that best suits their needs.
Knowing the main indices for comparing the various products available on the credit market also helps to assess hidden costs and commissions and be able to know exactly how much has to be repaid and when, to avoid any nasty surprises.
With a series of simple guidelines or an effective tool also used in business, the so-called Eisenhower matrix, we will learn how it is possible to assess for ourselves if it is worth applying for a loan.
We will also see how there are other channels for borrowing money, not just banks and financial institutions. Today there are many interesting alternatives, thanks also to the internet.
Once you get a hold on a simple list of what is required in order to make a wise choice, following the directions given by central banks, borrowing money will finally become an opportunity, not a risk anymore. This way, thanks to borrowed money, you will be able to make your dreams come true faster.